Introduction to Computer System for Beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn what a computer system is and the basic parts of a computer. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry. I will explain everything in simple and easy English. By the end of this video, you will understand what a computer system is, the main parts of a computer, and how a computer works. So let's get started. What is a computer system? A computer system is an electronic machine that helps us receive data, process it, store it, and produce information. In simple words, a computer helps us do work faster and easier. A complete computer system has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, mouse, system unit. These parts work together to make the computer function properly. Monitor, computer screen. The monitor is the screen of the computer. It is the part where we see everything the computer is doing. For example, the monitor shows pictures, videos, documents, websites. So whenever you watch a video or type something, you see it on the monitor. Keyboard, typing device. The keyboard is used to type information into the computer. It contains letters, numbers, symbols, and special keys like enter and space. We use the keyboard to write documents, send messages, or search on the internet. Without the keyboard, it would be difficult to enter information into the computer. Mouse, control device. The mouse is a small device used to control the pointer on the screen. With the mouse, you can click, open files, move things on the screen, scroll up and down. For example, when you want to open a folder, you double-click it with the mouse. System unit, the brain of the computer. The system unit is the main part of the computer. It is the box that contains important components like the CPU, the brain of the computer, memory, RAM, hard drive, where files are stored. The CPU processes all the instructions given to the computer. That is why the system unit is considered the heart of the computer system. How a computer works. A computer works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, input. This is when we enter data into the computer using devices like the keyboard or mouse. Step 2, processing. The CPU processes the information. Step 3, output. The computer shows the result on the monitor. This is called the input-process-output cycle. Conclusion. So today we learned that a computer system is a machine that helps us input, process, and output information. The main parts are monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. Understanding these basic parts is the first step to learning computers. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new today, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to learn computers. See you in the next video.